Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's sure to make your labeling tasks a breeze, the JOYIT Clear Thermal Labels. We found this fantastic item online and have added the link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are the JOYIT Clear Thermal Labels? These are high-quality, 2-inch by 1-inch clear thermal labels designed for a variety of uses. Each roll contains 300 labels, giving you a significant supply to tackle everything from home projects to commercial labeling needs. One of the standout features of these thermal labels is their unique printing capability. They utilize direct thermal printing technology, which means you won't need any ink, toner, or ribbons, just your thermal printer and you're good to go. This makes for a more efficient and cost-effective labeling process, eliminating the hassle of constantly replacing supplies. The versatility of these labels is truly impressive. Whether you're looking to create custom labels for product packaging, name tags, price tags, or even QR codes, these clear thermal labels can be tailored to meet your needs. They are perfect for both personal and business use, making them an excellent choice for entrepreneurs, crafters, and anyone in between. Quality is paramount, and these labels do not disappoint. They feature a strong self-adhesive grip, ensuring that once you stick them on, they stay put. Plus, they are waterproof, oil-proof, and scratch-resistant, which means they can withstand various conditions while maintaining a professional appearance. If you ever need to remove them, you'll find that they come off easily without causing damage. Another notable aspect is their eco-friendliness. These labels are free from BPA and BPS, which means they're safe for you and your family. By choosing JOYIT labels, you're making a sustainable choice without compromising on quality, ideal for anyone looking to be more environmentally conscious while running their business or managing household tasks. In practical terms, you can use these labels in countless ways. For instance, if you run a small online shop, you can print your logo on these labels for a professional touch. If you're organizing a community event, they can be used for name tags or